Hello friends, in this video, we'll share top 3 Chinese theme for Xiaomi Global. Bring it on your Xiaomi devices without MITs or root device. This theme supports wallpaper zoom effect when you close the app. All of themes in this video. This theme has a set of home screen widgets, double tap to change style. A very beautiful application icon set. On lock screen, tap settings to custom clock style and widgets. Small clock or big clock widgets. Animated icons pack. Lots of lock screen style. Tap here to change lock screen wallpaper. Tap to change lock screen style. To install these themes on your devices, download file made by me in video description. File include these themes. After downloaded file, open settings, my device, and use backup restore features to install. Use this to restore these themes on your devices. Review these videos if you don't know how to do it. After that, these themes will appear inside your phone's theme app, and you can apply easy. If you got error server is down, sign out your Xiaomi account, and reboot device, then reapply themes. I hope you will like these themes. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.